Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Today I am sharing my entry number 3 into my Anything Goes paper crafting challenge. It's still going on, so I will link up above the link if you're interested in still joining. So this package is from Marisa Alvarez. She does have a YouTube channel, which I will link below, but she doesn't currently have any videos on it, but she may in the future, so I will link her channel down below. Marisa, thank you so much for sending in this entry. She had a package, so it looked like it was professionally packaged, so I did cut it open. So thank you so much for that. But so all I've done is cut off the wrapper, and we have, it looks like she's repurposed this box, and she has this super cute Daisy Duck paper, very cute. And I'm just gonna cut this and let's dive right in. See if I can come in just a little bit closer. There we go. Look at how pretty this looks. So nice. She has this really pretty gold star, and it matches this beautiful gold striped paper. And let's see what's inside. All right, the first thing is, look at how cute that little Dalmatian is. So she is on Instagram, Fun Size Crafter. Okay, so I'll go over there and take a look at her Instagram, but this is the little cute card that she sent over. And then, okay, this looks like a Ziploc bag. There we go. Okay, so she has this really cute mermaid, and she has this gold trim, and this is a blank notebook inside, which is perfect. You can decorate it any way you want, have all your summer to-do lists in here. I'm a list maker, so yeah, this is perfect to make my summer to-do list with this cute summer theme. Super cute. And then inside she has this really fun sunglass shaker. Did you make this? Wow, I mean, look at all those layers. That's amazing. This is so summer fun. Very cute. Thank you so much for that. Very fun. And then in here, I'm going to set this aside. We have this really cute, oh wow, it's like an embellishment flip, and she has all of these very fun papers and pockets, which are my favorites. This super cute cupcake. Wow, did you use a die for these? This is I love this. It has like the side, the top, and then again one in the back. This is fabulous. Thank you so much. I know how, believe me, I know how much all of this paper crafting, how long it takes. So I appreciate this so much. This is a little shopping bag. This is adorable. I love the soft colors on there. It's so fun. Look at all those details. So sweet. And oh my gosh, look at how cute these Hello Kitties are. Oh, this is so fun. Little kawaii, love this, adorable. And I have a whole box of Hello Kitty supplies that these will be going in. And I love all these types of little papers and notebooks. I keep a big stack on my desk and I use them all the time. These are adorable. Wow, so fun. These are so cute. Look at this one. Oh, I love this bee. He's going to be hanging in my craft room. Yay, wow. Is this like, oh, there's more. Wow, Marisa, look at this. All of these dies. So cute. Little cup. And an ice cream cone, and a cupcake, and little envelopes. So fun. A seashell. And then even on this side, we have this super cute teacup. Oh, okay, wow. Where did you get these? This is so stinking cute. I'm in love with these. This is something I would definitely buy. I love them. And then these great big ones. Marisa, this is unbelievable. You put so much work into your project. I appreciate it so much for you taking the time to enter my challenge. And I want to make sure that I get your entry put in there. Okay, and Marisa, I am going to go ahead and take a look at your Instagram, and if you post it, I will go ahead and do a second entry for you. So here's my temporary glass jug for the entries, and it's going right inside. And thank you so much. Like I said, I will link her channel down below, and the video if you'd like to enter again. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.